All right, I guess it's protocol changing Friday because we did a video earlier in the day listing all of the protocols. That immediately changed as soon as we finished that video, and Princess Cruise Lines, they changed their testing and vaccination requirements, and guess what? We are back again because another cruise line has changed their testing and vaccination requirements. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to another cruise news video. All right, I guess I really shouldn't be surprised. Princess Cruise Lines changed their testing and vaccination requirements, and sure enough, right after that, we got notification that Carnival Cruise Lines has also changed their testing and vaccination requirements, and they are also going to be dropping the vaccine requirements and the testing requirements for vaccinated passengers on sailings that are 16 days or less. So let's take a look at Carnival's changes. Vaccinated guests must continue to provide evidence of their vaccination status prior to embarkation. Pre-cruise testing is no longer required except for cruises to Canada, Bermuda, Greece, and Australia, and on voyages 16 nights or longer. Unvaccinated guests are welcome to sail and are no longer required to apply for a vaccine exemption except for cruises in Australia or on voyages 16 nights and longer. Unvaccinated guests who do not provide proof of vaccination must present the results of a negative PCR or antigen test taken within 3 days of embarkation. All policies are subject to local destination regulations. Now, if you are unvaccinated and you currently have a vaccine exemption in, you're waiting for a reply, and your cruise is after September the 6th, and as long as it's not going to Canada, Bermuda, Greece, or Australia, Carnival Cruise Line says that those will be automatically confirmed, and of course the voyage has to be 16 nights or less. And so there you go, now Carnival has changed theirs, Princess has changed theirs, Royal Caribbean had already made some changes. Norwegian has changed theirs. Only a few cruise lines left out there. MSC, Disney, waiting to see what changes they're going to make. I don't know if we're going to see any more changes today, but cruise lines are on a roll with getting this stuff out today. So you never know. We might see you guys again later on today. And of course, if we hear anything different, see any changes, we'll of course let you guys know as soon as we know. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Lets you know anytime one of these videos come out because stuff is changing and we're putting them out quick. Hope everyone has a really great weekend. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.